Do you want to move your WordPress site to a new host without any stress or downtime? We can transfer your website files, databases, and email accounts quickly and securely today. Your website will stay live while we handle everything behind the scenes for you safely. Full Mailbox migration is included, keeping all emails, folders, and structure intact. If needed, we can also help with domain transfers to make the process completely smooth. No complicated steps for you. Just give us your hosting info and we take care of it. We test everything after migration so your site and emails work perfectly without errors. This service works for one website or two, including full setup on the new hosting. SSL certificates and DNS settings can also be configured so your site stays secure. Our team provides support after migration to fix any issues that might appear afterward. It's fast, reliable, and safe, giving you peace of mind during the transfer process. Click the link in the description now and find out more about this migration service.